welcome to our YouTube channel. Have you ever thought about cooking time? So, during this module that is called Cooking Time, we are going to learn some new vocabulary words to relate it to that. So we are going to start with the first of all words about the vocabulary. On the lesson number 1. The first word is lettuce. Lettuce. Now we continue with tomato. Tomato. The next one is cucumber. Cucumber. We continue with carrots. Carrots. Now, the next word is corn. Corn. We continue with pepper. Pepper. The next word is beans. Beans. We continue with mushrooms. Mushrooms. And finally, we have onions. Onions. Now, to the grammar part, we are going to learn how to express the future decisions. For that, we are going to use the expression going to. Going to. Let's see some examples. We have, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? I am going to make a pizza. I am going to make a pizza. So remember that these are the vocabulary words about the lesson number 1 for our unit, the cooking time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, let your likes here, and continue practicing at home. So, bye-bye, astronauts!